call may be monitored or recorded.
Thank you for calling Drain Right. This is Akia. How can I help you?
Hello, are you the plumber person?
Yes, I am the plumber person. What can I do for you?
Okay, I do not know how to say this, but there is a chihuahua in my toilet. I took bathroom and I looked down, there's a chihuahua. I do not know how it got there. That's not the problem though. How do I get this out? It's stuck in the tube and I do not know what doing to.
You said you have a chihuahua in your toilet?
Yes, I pooped out a chihuahua. I'm really, this sounds like something ridiculous, but it's not. I did not know last night was so wild. It hurts so bad.
Wait, is there a dog in your toilet, sir?
I know it's dead. I pooped out a dead chihuahua. It hurts so bad. But what did the estimate on how to clean up?
Well, you know what? We'll send the technician out there at no charge.
Okay, I live
It'll
on.
have to be tomorrow morning.
Okay, I
It's
live.
a free estimate for him to come out.
I live
He'll
on
have to come out.
3786.
Tomorrow morning.
Okay, so I call tomorrow and I give address.
You can give me the address now if you like.
No, I'll call tomorrow. Okay. Goodbye, my friend.
What is the address?
Goodbye.